Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting a new series called Unbox. So it's going to be talking about shoes and unboxing them and getting into the history about them. Anyway guys, stay tuned to see what happens. The Air Jordan 1 Mid Purple Pulse collection, guys. This is going to be the review today. This is going to be the shoe we're reviewing today for the Unbox series, which starts with the first episode on the Purple Pulse series on the Air Jordan 1 Mid. Alright guys, as you usually get with the Air Jordan 1 Mids, you get in the black and gold box with the logo on the side and at the back and at the front. Size 10 for me as per usual, because that is my shoe size in mids. Opening the box, you get your obviously usual paper, the number 23 all around. Then coming out to the shoe, very nice design, loving this a lot. Guys, you get your usual white laces for this design with your light blue all around, your light purple all around. So from the front to the back, you've got the light blue all around with the logo also being in a nice light blue version. We also get the purple tick in a nice suede material. In the tongue, you'll see that you get the logo in a nice little fluoro color. All around, I think it's a great shoe. I love the design of it. Was lucky enough to go to Foot Locker at the very day it came out. I was lucky able to cop a pair of size 10 for myself, which I was very happy to get. A little bit of back history for some of the fans who don't know anything about an Air Jordan 1 Mid. Air Jordan 1s actually came out in the 1980s with Michael Jordan wearing them to an NBA game. After NBA saw them and they saw that they were made them illegal to play, any NBA player who wore them would get a $1,000 USD fine. But since then, Michael Jordan and Nike have collabed ever since that, and his first shoe ever being the band name for it, which was a red and black series, and I've actually got them as well. You'll see them on screen right now. And that was the first colorway he ever collabed with Nike to put out to stores. So that's a bit of history for you about in the Air Jordan 1s, mids especially, just letting you know something different about that. And as well, when you do have your shoes, you got your holes at the front. Little bit of a tip: when you wear your socks and you sweat a lot in hot sweat, your air that comes from the outside goes into the shoe, and then when you do sweat, these actually help you prevent from getting warts. So that's what's really cool about these leather shoes that they do in Air Jordan 1s and Air Force 1s as well. Anyway guys, apart from that, that is a bit of back history about the shoe itself. Yeah, so in terms of Air Jordan, this is actually one of my favorite colorways that I have currently right now. I've got quite a few. But along the way, that's something we can see. But apart from that, guys, I want to ask if you do have a shoe you want me to review or any shoes that you would like to see on this series, please let me know. I'll be more than welcome to review it. Anyway, guys, that is the Air Jordan 1 Purple Pulse today. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned to next Tuesday to see another episode of one of these. Have a great day tonight. Peace.